Hey guys, Ryan Smith with Pro Auto Spa here. Got this Grand Caravan, this minivan here. You can see this really big dent. These people are actually in Yellowstone National Park and they were feeding the bison and ran out of food, so one of them got really upset and headbutted their door. Okay, that's just a joke, but seriously, this is a really big dent. You can see it starts from clear up here where we've marked it, and it goes all the way down here. You can see kind of some scuff marks and things down here. It does have a little bit of chip paint here on this corner, so we're going to end up having to touch that up. This part right here probably won't be perfect on that door edge, and it's got some cracked paint right here, just a little bit. The customer's not looking for perfection, but they're looking for a huge improvement, which we're going to do for sure. In order to remove this dent, there's a couple things we're going to have to do. One is take off the interior door trim, and the next best step that I can think of to do would be to take the whole door off and set it on a stand. That way it's laying down flat. We can work it that way. But it's definitely a big dent and something that will be a challenge to take on, but I'm happy for the challenge, excited they brought it here to us at Pro Auto Spa. So watch the transformation of this thing.